What's happening, TikTok? I'm back with another banger on this beautiful day. We at Slang and Plates in Hinesville, Georgia. You know, me and my wife, we love to eat. We both foodies, we both bit back, so we about to check it out, see what they got, see what they food tasting like. Off the top when you walk in, it's a nice little vibe, nice little atmosphere in here. Pickup window right there. It's their menu. They got the buffalo fries, looking real scrumptious. And lemon pepper what?
Hot lemon pepper.
Yeah. Go ahead, dive in. How it tastes. It's good. I got the mystery fries and the egg roll. Looking all good. It's a good egg roll. Let me taste the mystery fry. Good. What you rate them?
10 out of 10.
I agree. Yo, Slinging Plates, get a 10 out of 10. If you're in Hinesville, check them out. They've been here about 7 months. Good food, good prices, and we out.